Hermes Agent allows you to customize the appearance of the interface by switching between light and dark themes. This feature is useful for improving visibility, reducing eye strain, and matching the application to your preferred working environment. To begin, open your Hermes Agent session and wait for the main interface to load completely. Once the dashboard is visible, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. In this area, you will find the Theme option. This control allows you to change how Hermes Agent displays colors throughout the interface. Click on Theme to open the available theme settings. Depending on the current configuration, you will see options for light and dark mode. If you prefer a brighter appearance, select Light. Hermes Agent will immediately update the interface, replacing darker backgrounds with lighter colors while adjusting text and interface elements for readability. The light theme is often preferred when working in bright environments or during daytime use because it can make content easier to read under strong lighting conditions. If you prefer a darker appearance, open the Theme menu again and select Dark. The interface will update immediately, changing to darker backgrounds and lighter text elements. Many users choose dark mode because it can reduce glare and provide a more comfortable viewing experience, especially when working in low-light environments or for extended periods. After switching themes, take a moment to review the updated interface. Menus, panels, buttons, and other visual elements will adjust automatically to match the selected theme. The change takes effect immediately, so there's no need to refresh the page or restart the application. You can switch between light and dark themes whenever needed, allowing you to customize the interface based on your preferences or working conditions. Whether you choose light mode for maximum visibility or dark mode for a more subdued appearance, the theme setting provides a quick and convenient way to personalize your Hermes Agent experience.